guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to install natural hair clip-ins, which is what I have in my hair right now. This hair was sent to me from ft.Curls. Their website is actually right here. It's www.CurlsCurls.com. This is the 16-inch 3C for a Afro Kinky hair. I believe I'm correct. I'll put all of the links in the description box below. The reason I got 3C to 4A is because my hair in the front is completely different curl pattern than my hair in the back. Like, this is my natural hair curl pattern in the front of my head, which is like 4A, but all of my hair in the back is like 4C. Therefore, I braided all of that down, and the only like leave out I have is right here, like literally right here. The only thing I will say bad about it is it was kind of hard to get it to blend, not because of the curl pattern being different, because as you can see, it is the exact same. It was more of because it's not the same length, and trying to get hair that isn't the same length to blend is kind of hard. But this hair came in this nice silky packet. There was no smell. It was easy to wash. I'm going to be inserting all of those clips next after this, but first I'm going to show you guys what exactly I used in this video and exactly what I used on my hair. So I used the edge booster on my edges, of course. I used the Cream of Nature twist and curl pudding. I used this on my natural hair, and I also used this on the clip-ins to give it a little moisture. I used some Eco Styler to get my hair to blend in the front and stay down. I got it to blend. With Eco Styler, I of course used some bobby pins when I was doing the braid down part of my hair. Oh, everything's falling. I used a soft bristle brush in the front of my head just to kind of brush my hair down. I used a denim brush to detangle the part of my hair that I left out, and I used it to detangle the clip-ins. I used an edge brush. I used a comb to part my hair. I used this detangling comb to detangle my hair and also the clip-ins. I used a few clips to hold my hair out of the way. I also used some scrunchies to kind of section off my hair. I used the Healthy Sexy Hair Tri-Week Leave-In Conditioner. Of course, you know I live by this. On my natural hair is what I use that on. Spray bottle on the clip-ins and on my hair as needed. And those were the only products I actually used. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so the hair came in this orange silk bag. And inside of the bag, the hair was actually inside of a plastic bag, but I already took it out of the plastic bag. It comes with some extra clips, and then it comes with a booklet on instructions on how to insert the clip-ins and products you should or could use on the clip-ins and how to like maintain the clip-ins. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like, and once again, this is 3C to 4A. So I'm now just cutting off these plastic strips they had on the hair, keeping it together. And after that, I'm going to separate all of the clip-ins. There are approximately 10 clip-ins in one bundle, and it is more than enough to fill up your entire hair. And after I finish that, I'm going to turn on the water, and I'm going to make sure it's warm, not hot, warm, because that's what it says to do on the packet they sent. I also forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, I do have a coupon code for you guys to use to get $5 off if you want to purchase these clip-ins. The coupon code is going to be my name, Cassidy. It will be on the screen here, and it will also be linked in the description box below. So I'm just finishing rinsing off each clip-in. You want to make sure it's pretty wet and saturated before you actually go in with your shampoo. I'm going to warn you now that the shampoo I'm using is not one that was listed to use, but I didn't have any of the other ones and we're on quarantine. So I'm using the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny shampoo. This is the one with the green top. I've been using it since I was little. It's a really good shampoo and conditioner. It is a bit expensive, so you're going to have to invest in it, but it's really good. And they sell this at most beauty supplies, but they definitely sell it at Ulta. And the way I'm actually shampooing these clip-ins is very, very gentle, because you don't want to kind of like mess up the hair and make hair fall out. You want to be really gentle, and you want to make sure if it gets dry, put some more of that warm water on it, and then just sit it to the side and move on to the next. I'm now just rinsing out all of the clip-ins before I actually apply the conditioner, and then I'm just sitting them to the side on the towel next to me. So I'm now going in with the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Conditioner, and the hair is already wet, so I'm just going to be applying the conditioner to the hair, not using any water really on this step. And while I'm adding the conditioner, I'm also going to be trying to like finger detangle it. I'm not going to be detangling it with a comb yet or a brush yet. I'm just kind of finger detangling it as I'm applying the conditioner. So that is how much hair actually came out in total when I finger detangled it. Not much at all, but a little does come out when you're finger detangling it. And as you can see, I turned on some cold water to actually rinse out the conditioner from the hair, because it also says that you should use cold water to rinse out the conditioner in the packet. now going to go in with my Cream of Nature Twist and Curl Pudding to actually moisturize the hair. I'm I'm just going to put a generous amount on each clip-in, and this time I am going to be using a wide tooth comb to detangle the hair. I'm now done moisturizing the hair, and I'm just letting it dry on the towel and on the racks in the bathroom. So this is how I braided my hair down. It is very sloppy. I did 6 braids in the back, and then I did 6 braids in the front, and I just bobby pinned the ends of the hair upwards at the top, and it all met in the center. And the hair that I was going to leave out, I braided forward. So I took the 2 braids out in the front and I just put it into a bun, and I'm showing you how to open and close the clip-ins. And I'm going to be putting the clip-in with 4 clips at the bottom. I didn't put it at the very bottom, but it is at the bottom. And you're just going to do this same step all the way until you get to the front. So I'm now at the front of my head, and I'm going to be doing the sides first. This is a clip-in with 2 clips, and as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that I'm getting it at the very bottom of the braids, because if you put the clip-ins on the side too far up, it will look like it's uneven with the back, and you do not want that. So you want to make sure you put the first clip-in on the side at the very bottom, and the second clip-in you're going to put on in the side, just put it at the very top of the braids. I've now finished putting the ones on the side in, and as you can see, it's already really full. So I'm just going to be putting the last pieces kind of in the back and on the side, kind of, to fill in those little gaps, and then I will be done applying the clip-ins. So as you can see, I just finished applying all of the clip-ins, and it's very full, so you don't have to worry about it being thin. You will literally only need one bundle. So now that we finished putting in all of the clip-ins, it's time to tackle that hair that you left out. I'm now just parting my hair exactly how I wanted it. I did a middle part, but you could also do a side part. And I want to warn you that the part where you're blending your hair is probably the hardest part of this entire tutorial. It does take some time, and you kind of just have to figure out how you need to brush out the other curls or how you need to make them tighter. And you really have to figure out what product is going to actually hold your hair down. So right now I'm just spraying water, trying to get it to blend, and I'm also going to brush out the clipping curls off camera so that they can match my curls, because my curls are not as tight as the clipping curls. So I did that and it blended a lot better. And I'm also going to be putting some of that cream of nature on my natural hair and some eco styler to actually get my hair to blend and stay down. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after I brushed out the clip-in curls. I just used a denim brush to brush it out, and I put some eco styler, cream of nature, and water on my natural hair to get it to blend. And I also did my edges off camera, so it's very full in the back and it looks really good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos. Bye.